If you're under 1,000 in chess, you're making the same 3 mistakes over and over, and they're stopping you from improving. Completely. But here's the thing. If you fix just one of them today, you'll start winning more. Fast. Let me show you how. Most beginners play blitz. It's fun, it's fast, and it's destroying your progress. Why? Because blitz doesn't give you time to think. You miss patterns, blunder pieces, and repeat mistakes without realizing it. If you're serious about improving, play 10-minute games or longer. You'll finally see the moves you're missing now. But here's the catch. If you stop here, you'll still stay stuck. So don't skip this next part. It's where real growth starts. Puzzles work if you use them correctly. Most players just blast through them like a video game. But you need to slow down and actually think. Why does this tactic work? What did the opponent overlook? How can I spot this pattern in a real game? This is how you train your brain to see tactics before they happen. Still, puzzles alone won't fix your biggest blind spots. That's why this next step is the most important one of all. Every time you lose, the game is telling you exactly how to improve. But most players don't listen. You don't need an engine. Just look for the moment the game slipped. Was it a blunder? Were you rushing? Did you panic under pressure? Answer those questions, and you'll stop making the same mistakes again and again. Because this is how real players improve. Not from guessing, but from understanding. If you're under 1,000, you don't need fancy openings. You don't need an engine. You need to think longer, recognize patterns, and reflect on your own games. That's it. Do those 3 things, and your rating will rise faster than you think.